Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushkar this side, and today we are continuing with our three-part video series about how to set up your WhatsApp chatbot. So just to recap, earlier we did a couple of videos around RAG chatbot and WhatsApp chatbot. So a lot of people reached out asking me to cover this topic in greater detail. So that's what we have been doing. We have been doing a three-part video series about WhatsApp chatbots. In the first part, we looked at how you can create an AI assistant using OpenAI's API playground, and we created an assistant. Then in the second part, we looked at how you can create a Twilio business account, how you can get access to WhatsApp business APIs and WhatsApp business number. And in this third part, we are going to connect both of these. We are going to connect your OpenAI AI assistant with your WhatsApp business number using Fuzen's WhatsApp chatbot template. So Fuzen has this WhatsApp chatbot template that you can purchase for a nominal one-time cost, which connects your AI assistant to your WhatsApp business number to create a holistic WhatsApp chatbot for your business. And this chatbot can be fully customized using Fuzen's AI. So let's get into it. So let's start by going to this app template. So we'll go to this link, which is fuzen.io/apps/WhatsApp-automation-CRM. I'll put this link in the description of the video so you can find it there. But when you go to this link, you can see this is the WhatsApp app template, and you can buy this template for a small one-time cost. So this is where you can click to buy this template, and once you complete the purchase, you can go to your Fuzen account, and under your fuzen.app/purchases link, you'll find this template, and you can click on this green button to start using the template. So when you click on this button, this template will install in your Fuzen account as a CRM. So this is basically the WhatsApp automation CRM app, which gets installed in your Fuzen account. And on the CRM dashboard, you can see that there is a settings page. So if we go to the WhatsApp settings page, you'll see that to get your app going, you'll first need to connect this app with your AI assistant and with your Twilio account, and with the WhatsApp business number that we set up in the last video, which is linked to your Twilio account. So in the first part of this video series, we had created an AI assistant on OpenAI's API playground. You can also find that video in the description. So now what we need to do is we need to go back to our OpenAI API account, copy our assistant ID and API key, and paste them in the settings form. So the API key provides access to our developer account, and the assistant ID tells which assistant should be used in the chatbot conversations. So if you recall, in the first part of this video series, we had created an AI assistant which has a lot of information about Fuzen. And when we ask any question about Fuzen, it will answer with that information. So once this is done, we can save the settings form and confirm that our WhatsApp chatbot is completely set up. Now let's see how our chatbot actually works. So this is the number that we have configured with the WhatsApp chatbot. So we can go to WhatsApp and try sending a message to this number. It'll take maybe a couple of seconds, and then we'll hear from AI. So this is the response that we are getting from AI. So this is AI generated response, and for demo purpose, I'm asking very basic and very simple questions. So now AI is giving me very generic answers, but you can imagine if your customer comes to this WhatsApp number and he asks about some product information that you've already uploaded in your AI assistant, or if you've already uploaded your product brochures or list of services to your AI assistant, this WhatsApp chatbot should be able to answer with that context. So if you've uploaded all your service details, AI can also maybe provide quotations, maybe it can provide ballpark pricing for availing those services, it can provide ballpark estimates for your products. So those are all the things that you can do with this AI-based WhatsApp automation. So I'm just giving you a glimpse of how things can work, but this way you'll get a very clear idea of how this WhatsApp chatbot functions. So once you've seen that, what I also want to show you is that this chat is getting captured in real time. The chat is getting captured in CRM. So if you go back to the CRM, this is where you'll see all the information is getting captured. So this is basically the lead details page. So whenever a user comes to your WhatsApp number and starts conversing with this WhatsApp number, we are going to capture their number and their name as lead details, and the conversation that they had with this AI chatbot will also be captured within the CRM. So your sales agent can now look at how many people have approached the WhatsApp number, how many people have approached the support line, or what kind of questions they are asking, what kind of answers are given by AI. And mainly, you can check what are the product requirements of different customers who are landing on your WhatsApp chatbot. So if someone comes to this WhatsApp number inquiring about certain products, you can check the answers given by AI and the messages received from the customer, and you can gauge their interest. So for example, if a user says, "Oh, that's great," so clearly they are showing some interest. In that case, your sales agent can just pick up the phone and call this number, and that time he'll be already speaking with a warmed up lead. And that warm up is done with your WhatsApp chatbot assistant. And that warm up is essentially done by AI through your WhatsApp number. That's what I wanted to share with you today. So we looked at how you can easily install Fuzen's WhatsApp chatbot template and how this template easily connects with your OpenAI AI assistant and with your WhatsApp business number that you got on Twilio to create a fully functional, fully customizable WhatsApp chatbot solution for your business. And this chatbot can be displayed on your website. It can be linked to your marketing material like your brochures and so on. So whenever your customers have any questions about your business, about the products or services, or they have any support requests, they can just go to this WhatsApp chatbot and get the answers that they're looking for. So you can create really good engagement with your customer base without having to invest in a lot of manpower resources. So this creates a really lightweight but really powerful solution for you to create customer engagement with your customer base. So I hope you found this video useful. I hope you find the WhatsApp chatbot useful and easy to set up. So if you haven't done it already, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.